Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the Excel workbook is in OneDrive or SharePoint and that the data is a proper table. Once done, open Power Automate and create a new flow with your chosen trigger, manual, recurrence, or when a row is added. Next, add the Excel online action to list rows present in the table. This pulls the data you will evaluate. Make sure your connection uses the account with edit permissions so deletion will be permitted later. Once you have the rows, apply an OData filter in the List Rows action to reduce payload when possible. This improves performance. Then add an apply to each to iterate remaining rows, and inside it use a condition to check the deletion criteria. For example, blank ID, status equals obsolete, or date older than X. If the test is true, prepare the key fields needed for deletion. Make sure you reference the table's unique identifier, so you delete only the intended records. You finish by adding the delete a row action, supplying the workbook, table, and the row ID or unique key from the loop. After that, add run after steps and compose actions to log successes and failures so you can audit what was removed. Finally, test the flow on a small dataset or copy of the file. Make sure to confirm permissions and that no formulas break. If deletions don't occur, check connections, row ID mapping, and any OData filter syntax for errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.